Hey, it's Alex, and stop! In this video, I wanted to talk to you about the 3 biggest mistakes that people are making when advertising on Facebook for Shopify, or for any other matter. So I want to do this video so you can stop making those mistakes right now. So let's jump right in. The path is clear! So the 3 biggest Facebook ads mistakes to stop right now. Making these mistakes on your Facebook ads for your Shopify store could cost you thousands of dollars in missed sales. You'd be spending lots of money on ads, and to make those dollars work for you and not only for Facebook, you need to stop making these mistakes right now. Why? Well, Facebook may be charging you high cost per thousand and cost per click at the moment, which is making your cost per result much higher than it should be. You may also be missing out on targeting the best people available to buy your product, or you have a high bounce rate on your website because people get there and leave too fast. So let's talk about mistake number 1, which is not using the Facebook pixel. Now, Facebook puts into our hands a very powerful tool that allows us to tell what people are doing when they come to our website, whether they're buying, whether they're putting stuff on the cart, whether they're looking at the product pages, whether they're initiating checkout. There's all sorts of activities and events that can happen when people get to our website. So if you don't use the Facebook pixel, you'd be missing out on all the information from your own website visitors. You won't know where your holdups are. For instance, getting a lot of views to the product pages, but not enough people adding to cart. People also initiating checkout, but not actually purchasing. So you would be seeing different stats in there that would allow you to tell that there is a holdup in the process of from beginning to end when people are trying to buy a product from you. You'd also miss out on retargeting those people who added to cart but didn't purchase with specific retargeting ads, specific and timely ads, because these ads can be shown to people right after they went to your website but didn't purchase. A day later, different options. You'd also miss on the huge advantage of using custom audiences and lookalike audiences based on your website buyers and other activities that people do on your website. So these are really huge things. Make sure that the Facebook pixel is installed in your website, because otherwise you'd be missing out on quite a big deal that is one of the biggest advantages of advertising with Facebook. Mistake number 2, you're not using fresh and engaging creatives. You're using the same picture or video over and over, causing ad fatigue to your viewers or users on Facebook and lowering your ad scores. Therefore, you're increasing your cost per thousand and your cost per click. You'd also be missing out on buyers who would react to a different picture or video of the product if they constantly see the same video or picture. You're not using product demo videos, you're just using a picture of the video, maybe something that you got from AliExpress or a video that you use from AliExpress that does not demo the product properly. And you might be using also stock photography or bad photography of videos. And if you want to move away from that, make sure that you use proper lighting and angles and do your own photography or get somebody to do the photography for you and record a good video, because you're investing a lot of money in Shopify and Facebook ads. Make sure that you get the product come across to the visitors or Facebook users in the best light possible. And mistake number 3, you're not sending traffic to a high converting landing page. You might be sending traffic to a page that is not congruent with the ad, meaning it uses different colors or different fonts or different copy or different pictures, and people see the ad, come to your website, see something completely different, bounce off. May also have not enough product description or information on your product page or landing page. You may also have not enough good pictures or videos of the product. Like we said before, a demo video of the product is really worth it. It has no FAQs, and people may have objections to what they see on the page or on the ad, and you have to answer those questions or those objections as soon as possible, so people just feel that it's a friction-free process for them to buy it. Everything is answered to them, and the more FAQs that you have in there answering all those questions, the better. You may also have no testimonials on your landing page, and you have to have some testimonials, some social proof, maybe something from Instagram, people commenting that they love the product, or from Facebook that they love the product, or just testimonials from people that leave reviews, something like that. And lastly, you may have weak or no calls to actions or CTAs, or your calls to action are probably not the right color, or not big enough, or they're not visible enough, or they have to scroll too much to get to see it. So make sure that the call to action is visible, is a strong one, it has the right colors that matches or calls the attention of the users and the visitors to your checkout page, to your product page. So stop making these mistakes today. You'll see your Facebook ads increasing your sales on Shopify dramatically. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like the video and you want to see more videos coming out, then you'll be notified if you hit the notification bell. Also, if you like the video, put a like down there on below the video, and maybe share it with a friend who think that might benefit from it. Leave a comment if there's anything that you would like me to talk about in a future video, or if you have a question. And I hope to see you in the next video.